Hello, this is Marketa from Truss Aluminium factory. We are a Czech company that is exhibiting here at ISE 2026, and I would like to show you one of our new products that we are exhibiting here for the first time. So let's see it. This is a new pre-rig system that we are doing. You can see the old system, which you may already know, the pre-rig truss number 2. We put both versions, the old one and the new one together so that you can see the changes, the innovations we did. Because at this new one system, we tried to do the hanging of the lights as much easy as possible and as much variable as possible. So we introduced this new special profile, which is called a C profile, where you have special hanging points where you can move it like that, so it's variable. It has a good loading up to 600, so you can basically hang anything you want. And we also introduced this new system for saving space, where you have these holes that are each 6 centimeters apart. So it's only up to you where you want to put, or to what height you want to put the lighting, and thus save space, as I said. So if you want to see it live, please come to our booth 6A500, or if you want to know more information, go to our webpage www.tafw.cz.